Unless he's discovered there's bridge the gap.
You can see the reflection of the tree.
Uh-huh.
Worms. 1, 2, 3 worms, 4 worms, 5 worms, 6 worms, 7 worms.
But I don't think he's going that far.
Should I film it in slow motion?
No, film it in regular speed so people see how fast a worm can
In
move.
high speed. Hey Larry, do the high speed thing. Wow, much higher today. When you just walk like for a minute, the whole perspective. Maybe it's time to just slow down and take things easy. It's incredible. Like he knows we're here, right?
Well, he can perceive things with his eyes at the end of those long stalks on the top.
So there's behind the Couche-Tard, and the water level's a lot higher. So we got an emergency response going over the Gallipote Bridge, April 22nd, 2023.
Some of it's from the rain today, some of it's from them having been pumping it out of the basement.
Yeah, that's from Chez Basile. They're pumping the water out. And yeah, the water level's high, man.
But I don't think he's going that far.
Should I film it in slow motion?
No, film it in regular speed so people see how fast a worm can
In
move.
high speed. Hey Larry, do the high speed thing. This is April 23rd, 2023 in Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue, Montreal in the West Island, Quebec, Canada, third stone from the sun, planet Earth. And this is day 8 of the flood watch. We just did the gig today, 2 gigs this weekend. First gig in a long time. And every day for the last 7 days, it's been getting a little bit higher. It's base guy reporting to duty or something like Larry, cut.